differentiate tan e to the power of x. Y equals tan e to the power of x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equals, I will directly write the answer. Now look into this formula list. Differential coefficient of tan x is secant square x into dy by dx of x. Now listen. Therefore, differential coefficient of tan e to the power of x is secant square e to the power of x into d by dx of e to the power of x. What do you see in place of x here? This is tan x. What do you see in place of x? E power x. So, wherever you get x in the formula, you should put it as e power x. So, dy by dx equals secant square e power x into d by dx of e power x. Okay? Therefore, what do you get if you differentiate e to the power of x? You will get e to the power of x itself. What is the differential coefficient of e to the power of x? E to the power of x into d by dx of x. d by dx of x is 1. So, e power x itself. So, it is secant square e power x into e power x. That's all. Okay. Now, I will increase the complexity of this problem step by step. Instead of just e power x, I will make it tan e power 5x. In that case, what you will write? dy by dx equals secant square e power 5x into d by dx of e power 5x. So this is secant square e power 5x into, it is now d by dx of not simply e power x, it is e power 5x. So this is secant square e power 5x. Now if you differentiate e power x, you get e power x into d by dx of x. If you differentiate e power 5x, you should get e power 5x into d by dx of 5x. Okay? E power x, if you differentiate, you get e power x only. So e power 5x, if you differentiate, you should get e power 5x. Along with that, d by dx of x. So d by dx of x is here, not simply x, it is 5x. And what is d by dx of 5x? 5. So 5 secant square e to the power of 5x into e to the power of 5x. This is the answer. Okay? Wait. Now I will still increase the complexity of this problem. Now I will put a square root for this. I will put a square root. So which is the first problem we did? The first problem was like this, y equals tan of e to the power of x. Then second, this is made as tan of e to the power of 5x. Now this is made as root of tan of e to the power of 5x by putting a square root sign. Now just pay attention, afterwards you can write down. See, this is y is equal to square root. This is of the form. I want to tell you this as an important note. If y is equal to square root of a function. See, tan e to the power of 5x is a function. It is under square root. Now you have to identify from the list which will suit to this formula. Square root of a function. So the pattern of writing the differential coefficient for this problem is to match with differentiation of root x. So if you differentiate root of a function, what you should get? 1 by 2 root of function into d by dx of function. Note this. If y is equal to root of a function, then dy by dx, that is the differential coefficient of the root of the function, is 1 by 2 into root of whatever the function given into differential into dy by dx of function. See, root sign comes only here, root of function, and here there is no root sign, only function. You may notice that difference. So what is the general formula to remember to differentiate root of function? Differential coefficient of root of function is 1 by 2 into root of function into d by dx of function. Now if you look into this problem, now you can easily identify the pattern. The pattern is y equals root of function. So if y is equal to root of function, then dy by dx is written according to this pattern. So I will now write differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equals 1 by 2 into root of function, root of tan e to the power of 5x into d by dx of, what is the function here? Tan e to the power of 5x. Now notice that there is no square root here and the square root is only here. If you put a square root again here, you have come back to the problem. You will never finish this problem for your lifetime. Okay. So I will clear this. Now let's differentiate further. Further you know, this is 1 by 2 into root of tan e to the power of 5x. So this component is just present without d by dx sign. So you just have to write, nothing to do with that. But this component is present along with d by dx symbol. That means you have to differentiate and write it. Now tan e power 5x differentiation. Secant square e power 5x. If you differentiate tan x, you get secant square x into d by dx of x. That is into d by dx of e power 5x. Now e power 5x, when you differentiate, you get e power 5x into 5. Because d by dx of 5x is 5. So I write that as the final answer. This is 5 by 2 times of root of tan of e power 5x into secant square e power 5x into e power 5x into d by dx of 5x is 5, which I have written here. Understood?